Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will discuss algebraic method for solving the system of linear equation or a pair of linear equation. In previous video we have discussed graphical method of solving a pair of linear equation. This chapter is from class 10th book of NCERT. Today we will discuss algebraic method. Algebraic methods. So first algebraic method is substitution method. सब्स्टिट्यूशन मैथड एज द नेम सजेस्ट, आपको नाम से ही पता चलेगा कि इसमें हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. सपोज लेट अस कंसीडर टू इक्वेशंस a1x प्लस b1y इज इक्वल टू c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. You have to solve these two equations using substitution method. First of all, name the equation. Let us suppose this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Then you have to put the value of one variable from any of the equation in other equation. Let from equation 1, suppose from equation 1 it is easy to find the value of x. a1x is equal to c1 minus b1y, then x is equal to c1 minus b1y upon a1. You have to substitute this value in equation 2. Put in equation 2 and find the value of y. See, अगर आप या ये x वाली वैल्यू इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में पुट करोगे तो पूरी की पूरी इक्वेशन कौन से वेरिएबल में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी, y में, एंड देन यू कैन ईजिली सॉल्व इट एंड यू विल हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ y की वैल्यू आ गई. अब x की वैल्यू चाहिए, देन यू कैन पुट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ y दैट यू फाइंड हेयर इन स्टार. देन यू विल गेट both the values x and y. Let us understand this with the help of example. Let us suppose we are taking first question of exercise 3.3, that is x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. Equation number 1, equation number 2. We have to solve this system using method of substitution. So according to me it is easy to find x from equation number 2 because all the signs will be positive then. So I will write from equation 2, equation number 2, from equation number 2 x is equal to 4 plus y. Name it star. Using star in equation number 1, in equation 1, अब now we are using equation star in equation 1, so we will get 4 plus y in place of x, plus y is equal to 14. 4 plus 2y is equal to 14. That means 2y is equal to 10. 14 minus 4, 10. Y is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. So y is 5. Now using this value of 5 in star, using put y is equal to 5 in equation star, we get x is equal to 4 plus 5, that is 9. So we have x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. So this is one of the easiest method of solving a pair of linear equation in two variables. आपको easy वाली equation में से value निकालनी है and put the value of that variable in another equation so that you can convert one equation in one variable. From there you can find the value of one variable, जैसे यहाँ पे y की find की, then put that value in another variable and you can find the value of x. Let us consider one more question. This is question number 3, part 2. Question is, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. Larger of two supplementary angles exceeds smaller by 18 degree. Find them. So सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए what are supplementary angles. So supplementary angles are those whose sum is 180 degree. Clear? कोई भी स्टेटमेंट वाला क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमें वेरिएबल्स चूज करने पड़ेंगे. वेरिएबल्स क्या, इसमें क्या है, एंगल्स जो हमें फाइंड करने हैं. लेट द टू एंगल्स बी x and y. Let the two angles be x and y. According to the question x plus y सबसे पहले सप्लीमेंट्री होने चाहिए. Therefore x plus y should be 180 degree. Then larger of the two angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. यानी कि larger और smaller में difference क्या होगा, 18 degree का होगा. Let us suppose larger is x minus y is 18 degree. Is it clear? Now again we have two equation number 1, equation number 2. Find the value of x from equation 2. From equation 2, x is equal to 18 plus y. Write it star. Put star in equation 1. In equation 1 स्टार का हमने यूज़ किया इक्वेशन 1 में. 18 प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 180. सो दिस इज 18 प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 180. सो दिस इज 2y is equal to 180 minus 18. So this comes out to be 261. So y is 162 by 2. This is 81. So angle y is 81 degree. Now अभी सिर्फ y हमारे पास आया है. अब हम फाइंड करेंगे x. Put y is equal to 81 इन स्टार में पुट किया हमने. x इज इक्वल टू 18 प्लस 81. दिस इज 9, दिस इज 9. सो x इज इक्वल टू 99 डिग्री. सो टू एंगल्स आर 99 degree and 81 degree. So this is the answer. I hope this method is clear. This is very easy method. According to the question, you can put the value of one variable in the another equation. Whatever the way you find it easy. And also you can check your answers as I told you in previous video. Put your answers in both the equation, and if they satisfy left hand side is equal to right hand side, that means we are correct. For example, in this case, let us suppose I want to check my answer. First is x plus y. So 99 plus 81 degree. So this is 0. This is 180. So yes, first equation is satisfied. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now the second equation, x minus y is equal to 18. So 99 minus 81. Yes, it is 18. So again left hand side is equal to right hand side. So my answer is totally correct.